So boom, what is up guys? Today we're going to be doing a mod that lets us see the headers more clear and more better. So what we're going to be doing today is replacing the S2000 side mirrors with some APR carbon fiber side mirrors, and also with the interior rear view mirror we're going to be putting on some Broadway mirrors so we can see the haters even more, because the haters are always going to be left behind us. So here it is guys. Here's the APR carbon fiber square mirrors. Hopefully it makes it look 100 times way better. So yeah, basically the APR mirrors will replace these bulky, chunky stock S2000 mirrors. As you can see, in my opinion, I don't mind them, but I thought, yeah, let's change it up just a bit. So those gotta go. And also, like I said, yeah, the interior one is gotta go. So I'm not too sure how the interior one is, because for those who know, the Broadway is really wide. So, there's kind of no point in the S2K because all I'm going to see is the soft top. So yeah, let's get unboxing of the APRs and then yeah, let's try and install them. So here it is, APR carbon fiber Formula GT mirrors, straight for the S2000. Damn, check this out. Wow, here it is guys. Look how small they are. Wow, they're actually pretty hella light. Give me a sec. Check that out guys. Damn, look at that fresh ass mirror, hella shiny. Damn, look at that carbon fiber. Must be nice. Damn, this is actually hella light. Like, fuck, like I don't know what to compare it to, but it's pretty light. Like, this is the fitting kit hardware, like the brackets, and the actual bracket itself is heavier than the actual mirrors. Like, this is like legit. Damn, check that out. It's got a blue tint as well. Not bad. Even though these mirrors are pretty small, they are pretty wide angle, so it's pretty sick, as you guys can see. So yeah, so I actually thought, oh, I'm going to lose a lot of vision, but like I said, it's like a wide style mirror. Damn, check that out. Can't get over how light they are though. So here's the brackets, look at that. So it's also slim brackets as well, nothing chunky. So I think that it goes something like that onto the car obviously, and then this just goes straight on like that. Down, look, like I said, it's actually hella wide angle. Check that out. Damn, APR. Ooh. Check out BM1 with the new Galaxy grille. Damn, I've never seen this before. Matte Galaxy, what the hell? Clean. Oh yeah, so you know what man did? So these are my T's. He tried to test fit it, but he didn't know that BM was different stud padded. Shut the fuck up, bro. Nah, checks. It was for his S chassis. Damn. Hey, should we put it back on?
This is the chipped wheel.
Chipped?
Fucked up his wheel.
It's AG. No. What happened, Mr. Drifter? I guess guys want to sell. Don't mind me, I got a big fat hay fever right now. Let me know in the comments below if you get hay fever too, but like, shit. Want to sell one wheel, only one wheel.
Salisbury.
Should we put them back on, boys? Damn, bye BM man. Wow, that's fucking clean, man. That's actually cleaner than his old setup, yeah? That look, oh. Air out. He's gonna air up so it doesn't scrape. See? He went that way. He never goes that way. guys, just finished installing the first one. Check it out. Bust this out. Damn, pretty sick here. Carbon fiber APR mirrors. Damn. Look at that comparison. So I haven't done the driver side, and this is the passenger side. Check that out. Look at the difference. Damn. Not bad at all, yeah. Alright guys, we have just finished installing the APR carbon fiber mirrors, and check that out. Damn, 100 times, way better. And I know guys, it might look a bit weird now, but trust me, when I put everything back on, like the wheel, side skirt and front lip, it should look 100 times way better. Wait, what? There's 14. That's fucking clean with the white wheels. Whose one's that? Oh wait, it's mine's. Oh yeah, like I was saying, it might look weird now, but it should tie in once I put everything back on. Let's take a closer look. Look at that. So for those wondering what size it actually is, it's basically, yeah, smaller than my hand. So once again, this is an iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, and check this out. Damn, it's basically just a tad smaller than the phone. Damn, check that out. Ooh, slight tint of blue as well. Damn, and don't worry, yeah, this is where, as you can see, the mark right here from the old mirrors, but fuck it, can't really see. Hopefully I can wash it off later. But also got the driver's side done. 100 times, way better. Look how slim it is. 100 times, way better. Can't get over it. Shit. Fucking simple install too. And you know guys, it's carbon fiber, light as fuck, so now I can chop all the GDRs and all the Evos. So where you guys at? So here is the view from the inside. Check that out, as you guys can see. And check that out. And once again guys, it needs fine tuning. I haven't adjusted it to the right height and right level, but here it is. What do you guys reckon? Less chunky now, so you know, less blind spots right here, so I can oversee it and kind of see through this gap now. Way better. Yeah, like I said, from me it actually makes it look like it's wider than the OEM. Like obviously you don't get up and down as much, but left to right you get actually quite a lot, so that's pretty sick. Yeah, remember what I said as well, I also got some interior Broadway mirrors. Let's have a sus, let's install them. So these are the 270mm Broadway mirrors, and I went with the flat options. So these are wide angle as well, and I know a few cars who run these, and it's pretty sick because you can see all four corners. Like, this basically gets rid of your blind spot, so you can basically see the rear windows, quarter rear windows. But the thing is, for the S2K, I'm not too sure if this is even worth it, because you know, as you guys can see, I got a soft top, and it's got the chair, and it's got the soft top. So when I put this wide angle in, I probably won't even be able to see shit. It'll probably just be showing all these soft top, but you know, fuck it, it's still pretty sick anyway. So yeah, let's install it. Say G back with another unboxing. So guys, right here we have the Broadway 270mm flat mirror for the S2000. Nah, joke, psych. Hey guys, the mirrors ain't too bad. So here's the stock one, as you guys can see. And then when you put the Broadway one, it doesn't show too much, so it's pretty lit. It just makes everything zoom in so you can see it more clearly, and 100 times way better. Because remember what I said, usually when you put it on like a sedan car or something, it shows all windows. But this one, look, it's pretty sick. It looks the same, it's just more zoomed in, so you can see the haters more clear and more zoomed in. Wow, that's pretty sick. Let's attach these. How the fuck do we do it? Yeah, so there it is, suss it out. Damn, 100 times, way better. Fuck. Like I said guys, I installed these two mirrors so I can see all the haters I leave behind and all the cars I chop. Wait, oh, wait, what? Yeah, that's mine's S14 at the back. Look, damn. Yeah, mine's S14 only can stay at the back. Damn. Fuck, whoa, wait, what? GDR? Fuck, GDR at the back. Ooh, damn. Wait, fuck, what? I see an A6 as well. Fuck, A6 at the back as well. Wait, boosted A6 as well. Damn, say G, I left him in the dust. Wait, what? So yeah, that's how it's gonna be. But yeah, like, yeah, I don't really drive the car much, so they're gonna be chopping me more. And this car is like, it's pretty, it's alright, it's not good, but it's alright. So boom, what is up guys? In today's video we're gonna be doing fucking dropped it.